Preventing trips and falls. Introduction.
Falls are the leading cause of injury and injury death in people older than 65. Select true or false. Correct.
If you have fallen and gotten hurt, it is always better to avoid moving around a lot to prevent falls. Select true or false. Correct. Staying active is important to maintain strong bones and muscles as well as balance. Always talk to your doctor about what activity level is best for you. Some medications can cause side effects that can make a fall more likely. Select true or false. Correct. You should talk with your doctor to see if any of the medications you are on may put you at an increased risk for falls. Thank you for using Explain.